Hello everybody, welcome to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to write subscript in Google Docs. So let's start the video. At first, open your document. Now type your text and select the character or number you want to make subscript. Now from the top menu, click on Format. Then go to Text and from the drop-down menu, select Subscript. And that's it, your selected text will instantly appear slightly below the normal text line. If you want a keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl plus comma on your keyboard. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.